Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get these delicious honey glazed chicken tenders. If you'd like to see how I make them, keep on watching. So here I've got my chicken thigh already prepared. I'm going to start out with my seasoning mix. So I've got all-purpose seasoning, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, 1 egg. Give that all a good mix before incorporating your whipping cream. Then you can add in your flour. Give this a good whisk until you've reached your desired consistency. It should be quite smooth and not too thick. If it is too thick, then you can add in a little more whipping cream. Then onto the seasoned flour. So I've got flour with a combinations of seasonings inside. I'm starting out with all-purpose, just as a regular base, garlic, paprika, and black pepper, followed by some salt. So I dip each piece of chicken into the batter, followed by the flour. So whilst I was preparing the chicken, I already had my oil heating up so that I'm ready to go. I cook the chicken for about 10 minutes until super golden brown and crispy. So you should have something that looks like this, and then you can begin making your sauce. So for the sauce, I started out with tomato paste, but you can actually use ketchup as a substitute. If you don't have tomato paste, just use 3 tablespoons of ketchup. So now we've got our water and vinegar, and then I'm just adding in all of those flavours. Make sure you're doing this on low so that the honey doesn't burn. And then you've basically created your sauce. I don't really keep the sauce on for very long. And then for that kick, I add in some cayenne pepper to taste and some soy sauce. Give that all a really good toss, and then you'll see towards the end they start to become really glazed and sticky. And guys, this is the final outcome. They're super glazed and sticky and a little bit sweet. Hope you really enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.